Grootman,
Yeah,
otherwise
sharp wena.
mnandi. Awuyazi izinto zethu sizokhuluma ngebhola, local football. We're going to preview the upcoming game, Bafana Bafana taking on Nigeria. And also just would like for you to share your thoughts on the last game where Bafana Bafana beat Lesotho 3-0. You considered one of the most skillful players the PSL has ever seen. Namanje, if anyone goes online and types Kasi Flavor, vela ma video wakho laphayana nabo Rachel and Kichimisi Chiefs. So if there's anyone who could give his best opinion on the game, it has to be you. Bafana hosted Lesotho. Well, actually Lesotho was home, but they were playing here in South Africa. Bafana beat them 3-0. We saw Mhankota made his debut, scored on his debut. We saw Frosla came now, scored. And then we also saw Mfane Pagapaga, Ozwenapolis came in and scored. The squad is dominated by Orlando Pirates players this time. Last time it was mostly Mamelodi Sundowns players. Maupega le squad Dilesi, and you see a lot of these Orlando Pirates players, Lapayana. What do you think of the squad?
Awuthiyami ngisho nje ukuthi ngihappy ngesquad yabona, especially the fact that there's Orlando Pirates players. I mean, we cannot have a national team without a Orlando Pirates player yabona. So also credit must go to our coach Dogu, Isasa, the youth coaches yabona, Mxolisi, all the work that they put in there in making sure that these boys are quality players. By span out and it's helping the national team. Now we have Orele as an asset, Tonkota as an asset, Oswin as an asset, Mbogazi as an asset. You can count. Papa Silepe got his debut. Now I know the last. So big ups to the guys, and I'm happy that development is here cool. I understand.
Mawabheka squad lesi, it's a very young squad. Iningi labo are inexperienced. So when they went and played against Lesotho as a country, a lot of us, especially consumers of local football, were worried. Good, Esa, no Grant Kekana, no Kuriso Mudau. Mostly I'm a player with Mamelodi Sundowns that went as far as getting the bronze medal. Umshishu injured, so it's tugile good. Oh, abombogazi bazodlala kanjani lapha, but they came, they showed up. What did you make of performance of all of these experienced players against Lesotho?
I was just happy with performance. You must remember these boys, they're also coming in from playing a CAF semis, you understand? So there's a little bit of experience at the moment. So when we have a season and experience, I can understand it's not like Agnamuntu Kona. There's Abo Mobi Lapayana, influential players, even though they might not be getting much game time, but value by added to me, you understand? So I wouldn't say nabo basaba kangako. Obviously, they've got a point to prove kule stage abagu. So good, you know what, we can take the country back to the World Cup because we haven't been there since 2010. So important to at least basithwale labafana isikhathi sabo manje.
Namhlanje we take on the Super Eagles in Nigeria. As a lot of people are saying, good, it's like an African derby because these are two giants. Bafana Nigeria zwane kahle azifunani lezi zoyi2 masihlangana e1 melikale mayiphela kuyidraw sonke siyacomplain ukuthi why kuyidraw. And even in the streets, the conversations that we have when these two teams are playing, Hillbrow West manje kune debate enkulu lapha eHillbrow ukuthi kuzowina bani. You look at the Nigerian squad, it's full of European players, Abu Adumile Lokman, Victor Osimhen, although angeke abe khona due to injury. And then you look at our squad also dominated by local players, which is a good thing, which means EPSL nayo manje elevated to a point where we have young players who can compete at that level. When I'm ubhekile ubani owinayo kanjani?
Awuthiyami game yethu lesiyayithatha labantu kumele sibashaye bayasikolota mfethu ukhumbule basikhiphe ku-AFCON labantu yabona. So basekasilethu no and amana sithukanga man, we've been doing well. Umadala mfethu uyaspana, Coach Hugo mfethu, Coach Helman, they're doing a great job lapha. So labantu laba mfethu man, it's not going to be an easy game ungizwe kahle, but bayashayeka bona, understand, considering the fact that umuntu ohluphayo waswina akekho. It means it's an advantage to us. Phela nabo bachoma ngaye nathi sichoma ngoLyle Foster. Nathi sinasi strike stop yabona bafethu. So singathukini kakhulu. Statazela, I mean, really bakhona mfethu yabona ayadlala amajita ayapusha, and they've been doing well and they've proved ukuthi they can play kula ma stages aso. Sizobashala abantu bafethu. Angazi nina nibona kanjani, ngathi nithukile mina ngithukanga. So bashala abantu bafethu.
So looking ahead to tonight's game, particularly Bafana Mawubhekile which lineup is Hugo Broos going to go with? Is he going to keep the same team that played against Lesotho, or are there a few changes that he's going to implement?
I believe that if it's not broken, why fix it? So I think akagaye nje lamajita wagayile I chance, and then if uyabona ukuthi kumele yenza ama changes mhlawumbe isikhathi masihamba uzowayenza, I understand, but kudependa na ku formation yakhe ukuthi mhlawumbe angaqala nge352 angaqala nge451 angaqala nge442 kukuye ukuthi yena uqala ngani. But mina into engayisho nje ukuthi mayingaphukanga uyilungisa uthi I understand, and also ukhumbule ukuthi ama results wethu lawa esilibele siwina i-core ye-squad ayishintshanga kangako, you understand. Even if angaba nawo ama changes I don't think azo affecta the team ebeyidlala last game, because there's cohesion already in the team, yabona. Yeah.
So Thabiso Munyane has recently been called up to the squad to replace the injured Nico Mobi. But we saw also Umdunyelo from Mamelodi Sundowns came on during the Lesotho game when Nico Mobi was injured in the first half. He came on, he played very well. It was his first game. And now there's Unyiko, now there's Umunyani. They need to fight for a position. When, according to you, do you start Umunyani or Kubega Umdunyelo?
That's according to the coach, not according to me. Mina leyo preference yabona Umunyani ngiyamcava nale lengwenya lengenile yadlala grand. So it's up to the coach. Yabona mele respect ama decisions we coach. Tina is ama South Africans. Yabona coach makabeka sim support, you understand, because we cannot say Tina's prefer ubani. Yena Tina sike Jimin manje. You understand? Yena uyazi ukuthi ubani ready ubani akekho ready. So I think it's up to the coach.
Right, Hotman. And then okay, asibheke kancane ama tactics la. Siphethe uTebogo Mokoena, Talent Mbatha, Siphumbule in the middle of the park. Tebogo Mokoena gives you more defensive play, but is also good ngama long pass nokushooter. Talent Mbatha, we've seen game yakhe has improved a lot. Uyakwazi ukudistribute, uyaseka read game kamnandi. I think uSiphumbule umfake game in. We have uSiphumbule, you have skill there, you have shooting, you have passing. Mautata lezi uzbeka zoitre lapaya. Do you play them in diamond shape, or do you play 6-6 with one up front, or roba shaisi flat 3?
Mfana would play with one pivot, mfana. Like uTebza just be there ngidlala number 18 push uSipho no Talent, you understand, because uTebza khumbula ku build up fluid, yabona. Uyakhona ukureceive ball from build up. Althathe establish play to the midfield, athathe of space, or if we are going to turn on the back foot and there's no pressure, we can shy long. So Osipho mina, I think for me na uba effective makadlala more advanced, because ukhona ukuhlanganisa ama 1-2 umuntu weplan umuntu weskill, you understand, utalent as well. So I think lapha awuthi if singaba nje ne triangle yaleyo 3 leyo simnandi.
Sibashaya triangle lapha na bapush. And then masibheka lapha ebenchini siphethe uBathusi Obas. Khuluma nge-midfield manje. Siphethe uBathusi Obas. Like a few players uyababona ukuthi nabangangena lana that come in and make changes and implement some changes. Yabo. Second half, let's say we keep the team that started against Lesotho. Second half, sifaka Mfokeng skipper Ozwina Police siqhubeka ngonkotha, or uthi substitute unkotha then Mfokeng.
That's if siyadinga ukumfaka uMfokeng, because you might find that score City 0-0. We understand that we are still safe score mawe 0-0. We don't need ukuyokora. We just need to shut the back door. Kuno Obas, I would prefer a double pivot lapho si stabilize the team, sense show good mabas attack us is safe. We understand than ukuthi sigijimise goal sivule, because sometimes sinokufuna goal but the counter bashaye thina. We understand, and sidlala ekhaya, understand vele masiqala mele siqale attack all the way, see attack, but we must also be cognizant of the fact that sidlala nama European players lapha ban experience ebhaya, so we must try not to concede by all means. So better safe than sorry, yabo. Singamlahlela uMfokeng mangabe sifuna iplan, but mangabe iplan aselidingi sase right, asistabilize midfield, uTebza makaye 1 lapha sibuyisa uObasi siye ngathula sivale kube nabantu abazo protect back for yethu.
Danko. And then prediction
2-0 to us.
Mawubhekile 2 goals zibuya kubani?
uLayla uzokora. Layla is a good striker, and I think Ozwin uzokora Dylan Apolis.
Danko. That's it.